Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Chichi Space, where we self-develop without wasting time. In today's video, we are going to talk about why online chats can feel like a betrayal. So I had this friend who one time walked up to me. He's not the type to be jealous, but his girlfriend was spending so much time chatting online. She could spend so much time on her phone chatting with another man, I mean. Nothing physical had really happened, no dates, no hookups, but still he couldn't sleep. And then he asked me, am I overreacting or is it actually cheating? That was the question he posed. Now, that question doesn't seem as easy as it is. But in today's world, love and loyalty aren't just tested in physical spaces. They are tested online too. As we all know, there is online dating and so on and so forth. People have gone digital. I talked about that in one of my videos. If you haven't watched it, please run. And the line between innocent conversation and emotional betrayal can be so thin. Now, let's talk about why online chats can feel like a betrayal. For many people, cheating isn't about sex. It's about emotional energy, attention, and intimacy. If your partner is turning to another person, sharing secrets, seeking attention, and leaning on them for support, then that is cheating. You have something to worry about. And honestly, this can sting just so bad like infidelity. Think about it. Cheating is not all about what happens, but it may be more about who it's happening with. I don't know whether I'm making sense here. If your girlfriend is giving her attention to someone else, it makes you feel like you're standing at the window watching from a distance. And that's not what any couple would want to be through. It can be emotionally draining to feel that way. The role of intention. Here is the hard truth. If she's chatting with another colleague about work deadlines, that is not cheating. If she's joking with an old friend occasionally, that may also not be a threat. But if she hides conversations, deletes messages, or guides her phone like a bank vault, like a safe, that's where your worry starts. There you may need to ask yourself so many questions. What is she hiding? If she's talking to him in ways that she only talks to you, is she seeking validation, attention, or intimacy that would only belong to your relationship? When the purpose shifts from connection to escape, you are no longer in a safe zone. It has drifted. She's drifting away in your presence. To be honest with you, emotional cheating often hurts more than physical cheating. I don't know about you, but that's how I feel. That is how I put myself in this person's shoes. I could feel the pain on his face. I could feel it. Emotional cheating is more than physical cheating. I mean, you're not even sure what's going on. Like somebody's giving their presence to another person. Do you know how much that hurts? Why am I even saying emotional cheating hurts more than physical cheating? Sex can be more impulsive. Emotional intimacy requires time, trust, and vulnerability. When someone starts venting about their day to another person, laughing at their private jokes, or confiding about their insecurities to another person, these people are building a bond that rivals the relationship itself. And if you are left wondering, why doesn't she tell me these things anymore? That wound hurts even more deep. So you see what I'm talking about? Emotional cheating is more heartbreaking. Now, what are the signs that the line has been crossed? Every relationship has its own boundaries. Can you hear that bird making noise? It's a dove. It's a wild dove. Apparently, where I'm seated has some bushes around, like an habitat for the wild. So let's enjoy the wild. So, like I said, every relationship has its boundaries. What feels harmless for one couple may not really feel harmless for another couple because the boundaries are different. But here are a few red flags. She hides or locks her phone whenever she's near you. The question to you is, what is she hiding? She spends more time chatting online than with you. You find she's always happy with her phone. She's smiling as she's chatting with another person on her phone. That's a red flag. She shares details of her life with him than she shares with you. That even hurts more deep. And then you feel like you're competing for her attention with her phone because the other person is not in the physical, it's in the emotional. So you just feel like you're competing with her phone for attention. When I asked him all these questions, they were true. Like that is what was going on in the relationship. If it feels that way, then she's cheating on you. Those are some of the key highlights I shared with this person, with my friend. If this resonates, then it's not just chatting, it's cheating. This is an emotional territory that can threaten the foundation of the relationship. So when we talked about all this, it was pretty clear that something was going on. Honestly, I just want to conclude and say, love today faces so many tests than our parents faced. We have phones, we have DMs, social apps that give us the endless ability to connect with other people. So it's really up to you to know how to guard what you feel is important to you and the other person. It gives us endless opportunities to cross lines. Whether chatting online is cheating or no, it really depends on the boundaries and the trust you've built over time with your person. It's really up to you. And I always tell people that if you feel like it's no longer working, please don't waste somebody's time. The best thing you could do for them is let them go. Why would you be flirting with another person if you feel content in your relationship? And the most important thing you could do here is sit down and talk about it. Have a discussion with your partner and see where things go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you. I wish you well in everything that you do. Peace is the way to go. Bye-bye.